Now we will write this in figures. So here it is 36 rupees. So we write symbol of rupees 36. And how much is the paise? 45. So we'll put a dot here and write 45. Now we have to convert it into paise. So for this we have to remove this dot. When we remove the dot, it will convert it into paise. Clear? So write here 3645 3645 paise. Now we have to write the second amount as well. So first write second amount 12 rupees 25 paise. Then we will write in figures. So symbol of rupees 12.25. 12 rupees 25 paise. Children, this is sign of rupees. Now we have to convert into paise. So we will remove this dot. So this become paise, right? 1, 2, 2, 5. I remove a dot. 1225 paise. Clear? Now we have to add these money. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 write down. 1 carry. 1, 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Next 6 plus 2, 8. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4870 paise. Total amount is 4870 paise. We will write here 4870 paise. 4870 paise. Now we have to write these paise in rupees and paise. So we will write here rupees 48.70. I converted rupees and paise. That is to say, when we convert and add money, after that the answer will come. We will also have to convert and write in the rupees and paise. Is that clear? Okay. Next question. 25 rupees 22 paise and 6 rupees 5 paise. Now it has to be converted the same way. First we have to write question 25 rupees 22 paise. This is first amount. After that we have to write in figures. Now we have to convert it into paise. So for this we have to remove this dot. When we remove the dot, it will be convert into paise. So write 2522 paise. Next, second amount. Second amount is 6 rupees 5 paise. Now we will write in figures. Rupees 6.05. After that, now we have to convert into paise. So we will remove this dot. So this become paise. So right here 605 paise. Now we have to add these money. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 is write down and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3127 paise. Right here 3127 paise. Now this amount convert into rupees and paise. Symbol of rupees. Write rupees 31.27. Rupees 31.27 paise. Is that clear? Okay.